Hello, this is Anwar Ali from Technocademia, and in this tutorial I am going to teach you how to write a high quality article using ChatGPT and Wordtune. In the previous video I had already discussed how to create a ChatGPT account and how you can redirect to this chat page. I gave you a link in my description as well, a short way to this chat page. In this tutorial I'm going to write a demo article, and to make it more professional and plagiarism free and high quality and using Wordtune. I will just write an article through ChatGPT. I'm giving some instruction to it. For example, write a long article on the future of information and technology. Okay, our title could be the future of information and technology. It could be the title of our article, and I'm going to write on this topic using ChatGPT. Okay, it's giving me some error. Let's sort it out. Okay, just copy it and resubmit it from here. Okay, write a long form article using this. It's giving me some error. Let's do it again. It's just opening. Please bear with me. I'm just paste it. Okay, it's just generating our article. The future of information and technology is a fascinating topic that has captured the attention of scientists, technologists, and futurists for decades. So it's just generating. Sometimes ChatGPT will give you an error like error page, badge request, and something like that. You have just to reload the page and try again. That's it. Okay, it's generating a long article. You can tell ChatGPT to write shorter paragraphs for you, or you can tell it to write professional email copies for you, or you can tell it to write product description for you, and anytime you can write through ChatGPT. So it's been long. Okay, so I'm just going to copy this whole article. You can also write a portion of article to ChatGPT. Just write the portion, the headlines of the article here, and give instruction to ChatGPT to complete that task for you. I'm going to Wordtune. Okay, this is my Wordtune account. It's a free version. You can also upgrade it. The Wordtune is the best one and there are tools that makes your writing professional and high quality. I'm just pasting my copied article from ChatGPT here. Okay, so you can see it will give us suggestions. Improve clarity. It says that the clarity is the writing is not clear, and it's said grammar mistakes, grammar, enhance vocabulary. It said enhance vocabulary, and here you will see the suggestions. And here, if you want to rewrite this paragraph or this sentence, or you can shorten this sentence, you can expand this, you can change the tune like to formal, or you can tell the Wordtune to rewrite this sentence for you, or this whole paragraph or this article, and the upgraded version and the version. You can select the whole article and just tell it to rewrite, or make it formal, or short article, or expand and things like that. So I will just, it's a demo, and I just create a demo account, a free account to tell you how to use this. So if I wanted to rewrite the future of information technology is a fascinating topic that captured the attention of scientists, and so just rewrite. It will start rewriting. Okay. So you are looking. It's give us suggestions, lots. The the different version of this one sentence. A fascinating topic. The future of information technology has captured. Information technology are fascinating topics that have fascinated scientists, technologists, future technologists, information have and lots of things like that. I can select the whole paragraph. Okay, like this. Can tell it to write. It will just give me suggestions. Which sentence I want to rewrite, or I will tell it to make it formal. Just let's see. Okay, it's giving me suggestions for every sentence to rewrite, to convert it to a different version and things like that. So if I select this, any sentence that looks amazing to you, just change it here, and that's it. It will change the sentence, and then it will give suggestion for the next sentence, and then for the next, and then you can change the whole article. You can make it more clear, more professional, more high quality, and 0% plagiarism. That's it. Everything you need just to create a ChatGPT account, just to write an article through ChatGPT, and just go to Wordtune.com, make an account, sign up to the account, sign in, and then paste the article and give it instructions to do the tasks for you. I hope you will finding these our videos helpful, and I expect a good feedback from you. If you have any question, you can let us know in the comment box. You can contact us through our Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, WhatsApp, or Telegram. Thank you for watching.